I'm Sean Gom, Finance Director of Syngas Products. Syngas Products is a waste-to-energy company that's developing modular, scalable, local, cost-effective solutions. The energy that we're producing is produced via advanced thermal, namely pyrolysis and gasification solutions, and it's targeted at waste volumes of around 50,000 through to 250,000 tonnes per annum, so below the size of incinerators. The company was demerged from an established UK waste management company, New Earth Solutions, along with it a number of the senior management. We delivered the UK's first commercial-scale advanced thermal plant. That plant, based in Avonmouth, processes 90,000 tonnes per annum of refuse-derived fuel and generates baseload electricity. That's the only plant in the UK that's accredited for double ROC status for 20 years. That plant uses our modular technology combined with more traditional twin boiler and twin turbine approach at the back end. Since 2013, we've been focusing extensively on developing a smaller scale evolution of that technology, which encompasses 10,000 tonne per annum individual modules. At the front end, each module has its own drying and feedstock preparation capability, moving into advanced thermal, i.e. pyrolysis and then staged gasification. Following that, we have a patented end-to-end process, but we also have a unique patented gas cleanup technology that enables the gas to be particulate-free and then used for generating electricity, heat, or, importantly, going forward, gas. This slide highlights the flexibility of the offering. The plant on the top is the Avonmouth plant. The plant at the bottom is a pilot plant that we are about to start a 4,000-hour trial on using the modular technology that I mentioned. There's one unit installed there, and we're about to go live in April on a 4,000-hour trial. The technology is suitable to a range of feedstocks, including municipal solid waste. For those not in the trade, it's the typical black bag waste that we all produce. Refuse-derived fuel, which is the same but with metals removed, solid recovered fuel, which is a plastic-rich feedstock, and then a range of other waste types as shown. I've mentioned the outputs, but particularly with gas, in the future we envisage being able to co-locate our plants beside energy-intensive off-takers, so manufacturers, kiln operators and such. And in the medium term, with cleaned up gas, we could inject that into the gas grid. There are a number of applications for this technology, both in the UK and internationally, particularly in off-grid situations where energy obviously is a requirement. In terms of those market drivers, climate change is a principal driver for the business, which is changing behaviour in terms of the way waste is managed, moving waste away from landfill and into more attractive areas in terms of energy recovery. In the UK, 17 million tonnes of energy-bearing waste is landfilled each year. A further 3 million tonnes of energy-bearing waste is exported as refuse-derived fuel to the continent, principally to Holland, Germany and Sweden. Around the world, there are different approaches to landfill tax and subsidies, which will influence the expansion that we pursue. In terms of market opportunity for the business, there are a number of UK project opportunities that we're already working on. We've had considerable interest internationally, which has been reactive because we haven't yet embarked on any proactive marketing. We'll be informed by our 4,000-hour trial this year on the first module. Going forward, we expect to ramp up the installation we have, which was the one on the bottom of the screen, up to 10 units over the next 2 to 3 years, and then embark on a licensing expansion. £14 million has been invested to date in establishing both of our product offerings, the one in Avonmouth and the modular offering. In terms of funding requirement, we're at a point now where we're embarking on late-stage R&D activity, and we would be interested in talking to funders who would be willing to invest around £2 to £3 million to assist us through our growth over the next 2 to 3 years as we progress through to full-scale commercialisation. Thanks very much.